Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make easy DIY dishwashing liquid. It's easy and simple. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is to pour in 1 liter of water and add 1 cup of table salt, ordinary salt, then stir to mix everything together. You're going to stir for like 5 minutes. So we are producing 5 liters of dishwashing liquid. So this is called Texapon. It's a foam booster, okay? This is how it looks like. We're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of Texapon. You're going to stir until the Texapon dissolves completely. The next raw material we have here is called SLS. It's also a foam booster. We're going to dissolve it in water. So this is it dissolved in water. I dissolved 1.5 tablespoon in water, in little water, okay? So pour it into the solution and stir very well. Here I also have foam booster. This is called foam booster. It's also a foaming boosting agent, okay? So we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of foam booster. We want our soap to foam very well, okay? So mix till well incorporated. So here is our fragrance. I'm using lime or lemon fragrance, okay? So add as desired. Then you mix very well. So add the remaining 4 liters of water. and stir very, very well. It will take about 8 to 10 minutes, okay? So this is an easy dishwashing liquid you can come up with. This is not multi-purpose, it's for dishwashing specifically. So here we have a green color, okay? This is water soluble color. We're going to dissolve in water, as you guys can see. So it's as desired. If you want it to be more or deep green, it depends on you. I want mine to be light as okay. So you add it, as you guys can see, and mix very, very well. So this is an easy DIY dishwashing liquid you can come up with, okay? I also have a video where I made multi-purpose liquid soap, okay? So this is for dishwashing. You can also choose to add thickener or nitrosol, okay? So this is it. We're going to leave this for about 1 hour for this foam to really clear, okay? So after 1 hour, you're going to see how it's going to look like. So this is a soap. After 1 hour, the foam on it has is no longer there. So this is an easy DIY dishwashing liquid you can come up with, okay? So this is it, as simple as, okay? So I'll be leaving the card of the multi-purpose liquid soap, okay, so that you guys go check out that, okay? So like I said, this is for washing your dishes, okay? So it's like, as you guys can see, it's as simple as with few ingredients you can come up with this yourself and wash your dishes. Like simple. And I hope you found this helpful. So for the ingredients list, here are the ingredients I used, though I've mentioned it. The raw materials for 5 liters of dishwashing liquid: you have 1 cup table salt, 2 tablespoons hexapone, 1.5 tablespoon SLS, 1 tablespoon foam booster, lime fragrance as desired, water soluble color as desired. Remember, we use green. So guys, that is it. Hope you love and enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, please share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.